Hey, what's up internet, and happy Halloween from the Disneyland Resort. In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to celebrate spooky season here at Disneyland. We're going to be checking out a ton of brand new food, drink, merchandise available, some fun and spooky entertainment, as well as the exciting ride overlays here for Halloween time. We got a lot to check out between Disneyland and California Adventure, so let's go on and get things started. Alright, it is lunchtime and we have made our way here to Jolly Holiday over on Main Street, and we got a returning Halloween classic in front of me. We have the Boo-gogi toasted sandwich with corn cheese soup. It's marinated beef, grilled onion, mozzarella, and kimchi aioli, all on sourdough, served with, of course, that corn cheese soup. I have heard so many good things about this dish from past years, and I'm so excited to try this out. Like, this all looks just so appetizing. I am starving right now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. That beef is so well marinated, so juicy, and like the cheese and the bread, the combination of it all, just so good. A really good lunch option here at Jolly Holiday. And let's try some of this corn cheese soup, which to me, corn cheese soup doesn't sound super appetizing, but let's see how this tastes. That's really good. It kind of has like a corn chowder consistency. Now, the key here, if we take this and we do this, oh, I just dropped some of the onions in here. All right, let's see. That right there hit the spot. The combination of the sandwich with that soup, oh my god, one of my new favorites, definitely a must get. If I had to rate this, I would actually rate this pretty highly. I give this a 9.5 out of 10. We're starting off strong here with all the Halloween foods. A lot of good stuff on this list. And again, if you do want to get this, it's here at the Jolly Holiday on Main Street for $15.49. Made our way over to Tomorrowland to Galactic Grill for one of their Halloween offerings. Right here in my hand is the pumpkin pie chai tea. It's an iced chai tea topped with a pumpkin pie cream. I love chai tea. I love pumpkin pie. It's like this cinnamon challenge on top. Should I just inhale it all at once? All right, let's give this a try. That literally tastes like a pumpkin pie. That is so good. It's like sweet but not overly sweet, and just that cream on top that gives it that pumpkin pie flavor. Oh my god, really good. I would rate this, I think, a 9 out of 10. Now, it's really good. I'm gonna drink my way through this and hopefully it's not too much, but I think it's the right amount of sweetness. And once you get to the middle part of the day where you need a little more energy, a little more caffeine, I think this will do the trick. $6.99 here at Galactic Grill in Tomorrowland. Here in line now for Haunted Mansion. Our virtual queue group was just called, and so we are here in line. This one of the rare rides where you have to join a virtual queue. There's no standby or lightning lane available, while the other line area is under construction. But Nightmare Before Christmas theme, definitely a fun overlay, especially during the Halloween, Christmas season.
And transcend 11 candles floating. There's scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tales that swirl with secrets yet to share.
outside of Haunted Mansion at that popcorn cart. There's not just popcorn, but popcorn with a Halloween candy mix in. So in here we have some M&M peanut butter chocolate, some candy corn, some chocolate covered pretzels, lots of Halloween goodness. Let's give this a try. I get some of the M&M, get some of the candy corn. It was like some freshly popped popcorn too, and so the salty and sweet, such a good combination. Definitely recommend. It is $6 for the popcorn, $1.75 additional. Park top over now to California Adventure, where as soon as you make your way down Buena Vista Street, you can see the entire street lined up with all the Halloween decor. Of course, this is also the park where Oogie Boogie Bash happened. It's a separately ticketed after dark event, all for Halloween. It's definitely a really fun event. In this video, I am focusing on all the Halloween stuff that's included with your regular park ticket, but I did get to go to Oogie Boogie Bash back in 2022. Definitely a lot of fun. Be sure to check out that video if you want to get an idea of what Oogie Boogie is like, but there's a whole lot of Halloween offerings kind of sprinkled all throughout California Adventure, and so let's head down Buena Vista Street and see what we got here in this park.
All right, folks, we're coming into Cavalcade Circle. Please stay seated until the trolley comes to the pole. Please stop.
All right, here now in Avengers Campus because it is time for Guardians of the Galaxy Monster After Dark. This is the Halloween overlay of the ride. It's important to note it is only available after 3 p.m., so you gotta watch the app closely if you are booking a lightning lane. Make sure that you book the proper lightning lane. Now, this ride is a little bit more intense, a little more thrilling, pretty fun to check out, and so Monsters After Dark, time right now is just after 3 o'clock, so my favorite ride here in DCA. Let's do this.
Still broken, so it's gonna be a rough ride. Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Please gather your costume.
All right, our next seasonal Halloween food item has brought us here to Hollywoodland, specifically the studio catering truck, where we picked up these delicious looking Asian-inspired spicy pork taco. They have kimchi, cucumber, carrot, and pickled onions with a sriracha aioli, all in a flour tortilla. Oh my God, this looks absolutely appetizing. We got 2 tacos, very tasty looking tacos. I built up quite an appetite. Let's give these a try. You can really see the aioli.
It's delicious. Those are probably frozen blueberries. Probably not good. You really are having it.
I'm surprised how many times
That is spicy. You know, as soon as I said sriracha, I should have remembered what a kick that has to it, and boy, did that have a kick. I'm not very tolerant when it comes to spicy foods, but that pork though, super good. Still not as good as the beef in that Boo-gogi sandwich, but wow, there's a lot going on. It's very much like almost like banh mi sandwich-esque, especially with all the little veggies in it. But overall, it was good. Not my favorite item. I would say I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. Yeah. And you know, you can get this again at the Studio Catering Company truck. It's $11.49 for these 2 tacos. I mean, definitely delicious. If you're into like some spicy sriracha Asian-inspired tacos, definitely worth a try. So as we make our way through California Adventure, one of the best themed Halloween areas here in the park, and I think really all the resort, is Cars Land. I mean, just take a look at this. We got the cozy cone all decked out. We got all of the decor up hanging from those power poles. And of course, Cars Land also comes to life later at night. So we will definitely be swinging on by when the sun sets. So here in Hollywoodland, one of the cutest and most fun Halloween shows here is the Mickey's Trick and Treat Show. It's a fun show, especially for little ones, basically a dance party in the theater where the Disney Junior Dance Party is. There's multiple shows that happen throughout the day and all the fun characters, Mickey, friends, lots of fun to check out. Let's go head on inside. I've never seen the show, so I'm actually very excited to check it out.
Treat party! My name is Parker and I am just mad about Halloween, aren't you? Happy Halloween, everybody!
It's so good to see you!
Yep, that's the best part of Halloween!
Getting together with friends and dressing up!
Yeah, awesome costumes, you two! Thanks!
And you all look spooktacular!
Say, who's ready to dance? Wait a minute! Ghosts don't have ears. Come on, everybody, who is this, huh? Shout it out! Really? Wait, so then who is this, huh? Happy Halloween, everybody! Thank you all so much for joining us!
Take a look at all these Halloween Mickey pumpkins. We got some pumpkin bowls. Looks like a pumpkin bubble wand with the Mickey ears. Lots of Mickey pumpkin decor here in World of Disney. Of course, the big giant looks like mini pumpkin. That up there is $80. We got the regular Mickey pumpkin over here. This looks like it is $59.99, and tons of other Halloween merch over here. Got these fun candy cane themed items, some little, cute little Crocs. Wow, those are so adorable. Got a tote. We have this Mickey's Pumpkin Patch themed button up. Of course, we got the classic Mickey Halloween cat ears. Oh, we got this Halloween countdown calendar. You can see it has some adjustable numbers. It's this cute little haunted house. You got Mickey and Minnie on there as well. Also some Haunted Mansion themed items here. We got some dragon hat. Oh, really digging this Disney Villains button up here. And back over here, it looks like we have some Mickey and Minnie plush toys in their brand new Halloween themed costume. So you can see here, we have Mickey in his sort of like skeleton looking costume. And then over here, we have Minnie looking great, kind of like a candy corn themed bat costume. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, these are their new outfits. We've seen them in the parks, donning it, and they look great. All right, a little later in the night here on Main Street, we have made our way to the Gibson Grill Ice Cream Parlor for this Death by Chocolate Ice Cream Sundae special. There's a lot going on. We got Rocky Road, cookies and cream, this chocolate dipped Oreo waffle bowl, some cookie Oreo crumbles, gummy worms, chocolate. Oh my god, so good. Wow, there goes our fucking Rocky Road. Amazing. 8 out of 10. We love dessert. All right, that is a wrap on our super fun Halloween time at Disneyland Day here. And oh my god, I gotta say, I am absolutely stuffed with all the tasty Halloween food, drinks, treats that we had. A lot of fun with the rides. Loved Guardians of the Galaxy as well as Haunted Mansion Holiday. And of course, got to see the merch. Speaking of merch, my friend Haley, who I'm with, also got these customizable ears. You can actually get them at the holiday shop on Main Street. So you pick out your ears, which you buy separately. You then customize it and you get like this super cool result. Definitely recommend checking it out. And I hope you like this video. Let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite part of Halloween time here at Disneyland? Have you been? Would you go? Let me all know down in the comments. And of course, if you did like this video, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below. And I will see you next time on the internet.
We gotta sing our song one more time!